Today's video is a review of 3 music videos: Company by Alkaline, Summer 16 by Vybz Kartel, and Western Union by Vybz Kartel. Let's check out the samples, then I will review.
Nobody fi stress me, nobody will fi call me. Anytime me honey up, can swing it pussy pa me. Ooh, me understand you, girl, and you understand me. Me don't want nobody, just want company. And anytime me honey come see me.
I got a car full of girls and it's going real slow. And on the beach everybody want go. And pool party turn up like wow. Everybody feel happy in a dream weekend. Do down your school shows, don't put it on unless a glass boat. Farina fly down a Jordan will do. Love see the girl them in a bad suit. I'm ready to go home.
Our people are hustle every day for the water. And the light bill pay, so no laughing. Nobody now play with no touch road. Be a screw face, she want. Be a half where she trust him want. Stop take bus, student loan just call and a cuss them say.
Coffee with money, hustling, hustle money.
Alkaline's video company has the most complex storyline of the 3 videos. It was more harder to review because the plot and script would be harder to grasp, so the degree of difficulty would be higher. The setting was very good. It started off like a movie, a romantic setting in the hills. The story started with wifey or a girlfriend leaving to do some chores, leaving a stressed out, sexually frustrated man played by Alkaline who has cheating plans. She leaves a to-do list for Alkaline, which includes taking out the garbage and going grocery shopping, amongst other things. All of which is ignored by Alkaline because he has bigger priorities on his mind, such as a sexual rendezvous, hence the name Company. We all know that cheater's routine. Wife is stressed out, and as soon as she leaves, matey run in. When the cat's away, the mice will play. So conveniently, Alkaline calls up that friend with benefit. Miss Mutual Understanding is just a fuck and cut thing. Stressed out relief situation. No commitment, no feelings, no contract. Thus every now and then fulfillment of horny sexual desire. Simply put, Miss Company. That company is, however, sometimes a next man's main chick who herself is stressed out and have some unfulfilled sexual desires, complaining about her partner's bedroom deficiency. So it's a kill 2 birds with 1 stone, win-win kind of situation, except for wifey, of course. The song is big, the plot and video quality is good, but I do not think that the video managed to elevate or amp up the song as effectively as I think it should. And that's a bit of a problem. I don't think that Alkaline is selling it as convincingly as I think he should, and he needs to put some more effort in his performance and video acting. Alkaline is a very good artist and he's getting better with his videos and performances. This is a way better video than Champion Boy, but there are still some chinks in the armor that can be easily ironed out. I am going to say that this video is good, but it is not exceptional as it could have been. Director, you needed to communicate with Alkaline and make sure that the video and audio are always in sync, because I can tell this is a very expensive video, but it came up a little short. With big name and big hype comes big expectations. The second video is Vybz Kartel Summer 16. The theme of this video is simply party, dance, drink, blaze up and have a good time. Cause this is summer and that is what summer is all about. Fun and excitement. This video reminds me of another one of Vybz Kartel's summer videos called Party On Dream Weekend. It is a summer song as the title suggests. Beach party, dream weekend, ATR, brick jam, sexy girls in impy skimpy bikini and shorts, a fat ass invasion, draw dropping, stare downs and lust. This video is very simple and explains itself. Party and have a good time, and though I cannot say that this theme is original, it gets to the point. The people are having a good time and dancing their stress away, and that is a good thing. The quality is excellent, the vibes is good, so I like it. Video number 3 is Western Union, the follow-up to the hit video Fever. Like the title says, Vybz Kartel is endorsing that hustle, doing road, making that money, stacking up that paper by any means necessary. Don't sit around and expect any handouts. It shows the trickle-down effect, the chain effect, the domino effect of hustling, the harsh reality of the ghetto street and what people have to do to survive. Get it by any which way, the scamming, the stick-up, the juggling, or legitimate hustling. At the end of the day, it's all about that dollar bill. Do what you have to do to put food on your table, to pay those bills. Hustle for years, live and let others live, but be aware of karma, cause what goes around comes back around. Thanks to Alkaline's team and the director Pang Pang, and Vybz Kartel team and 21st Apollos Digital Distribution, TJ Records for the song Summer 16, and director J Will Game Over for the song Western Union for allowing me to use samples for this review. Thank you very much for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bless up. One love.